The Microsoft Immersive Reader is integrated throughout the SAFARI Montage platform and provides extensive control over on-screen text. To use the Immersive Reader, click the icon and then play.
The famed Galapagos Islands, which teem with fantastic wildlife found nowhere else on the planet.
You can pause the reader and use the menu to adjust your preferences, such as text size, increase spacing, or change theme. Or to show parts of speech under grammar preferences. Choose reading preferences to use line focus, and access the Translate feature and choose a language. To view a translation, select a specific word.
행성.
To translate an entire section, open the menu and choose Document.
지구상에서 다른 곳에서는 볼 수 없는 환상적인
Toggle Document off to return to English. Use the voice settings to adjust voice speed and gender preference. The system will retain your custom preferences, and you can click the reader button anywhere you see it to open the feature again.